everyone, welcome back to my channel. I'm Jessica, and today I have my 22-month update for my no buy. 22 months. That's a long dang time. I can't believe I am 2 months away from hitting that 2-year mark for not buying any beauty products unless it was a replacement. And that was only for this second year. My first year was a complete no buy, and I successfully did it, except for Cotton Browns, and that was just something I had to have. But I can't believe that I have done this for this long, and I haven't even really replaced anything in quite a few months. I haven't needed to, so I haven't gotten anything, and I'm kind of cool with that. I've been kind of mulling over what I'm going to do when this no buy is over, and I'm still sitting on the fence with that one. And I kind of started looking at websites to kind of create a wish list, if you will, of what I want to buy when my no buy is officially over on June 23rd. And I went to a lot of my usual sites. You guys know I love my Coastal Scents. I love my Hot Pots. And I would put stuff into my wish list or my cart, you know, because it holds your cart if you have an account with them. And I would put things in, and then I would just take them right back out. I'm like, no, I don't need it. I've got stuff that is similar to that. You know, I love my e.l.f., and I've done the same thing with them. I just don't, I don't want to buy. I don't know what it is. Like, the compulsive part of me says, let's go buy something. You haven't bought anything for yourself in a while. And then, you know, if I take a deep breath and I really look at things and analyze it, I'm like, no, I don't really want it. And I think that's kind of a cool place to be. And I've felt that I am getting to that place. I feel like I've been getting to this place for a while now, and I feel good about it. I still have the compulsions to buy. I think that is natural. And that's an ingrained response, I think, because I had free reign to purchase whatever I wanted for a very long time. And I mean, I guess I technically still have free reign now. I've put these constraints on myself, but I think the compulsion is always going to be there. But I am learning that most of the time, my willpower is stronger than that compulsion. And I'm really excited about that. I did get some stuff for my birthday, which I showed, I think, at the last update. And I got a palette, and then I got 2 palettes for review, and I could have lived without them. I'm enjoying them, but I could have lived without them. And I don't feel the need to buy anything else. I think the Gone with the Twins series that I'm doing with Amanda is really helping me out a lot, because I originally was thinking that I wanted to buy some pinks and purples as far as eyeshadows and then a few other things. But this series is showing me that I have these things already. I don't need to buy them. And when you face that, when you're being held accountable and you are aware of everything that you have, I think that it truly kind of saps that feeling like I need to go and get this, this, or this, because then you realize you already have that. And I'm so glad that we are doing that series, and I'm so glad that I have such a supportive painting community where, you know, people offer me suggestions on what to do when my no buy is over and what they're doing with their current no buys. I'm so thankful for all of that. Seriously, this is the best community ever. I don't think that there is a better community at all on YouTube than the painting community, and I'm so thankful for all of you. My no buy is a success because of you guys. I mean, yeah, I have my willpower, and it ultimately comes down to me, but without you guys, I don't think I could do it. I really don't, and I want to say thank you guys. I know you guys are going to get me through this next 2 months, and then we will see what happens after that, because I honestly don't know. I don't know what I'm going to do. I'm still mulling it over in my head. I got no clues. I have some really good suggestions that people have given me. I have them written down, and I may take one of them and I may do something else altogether. At this point, I honestly just don't know. But I am going to wrap this up. This is, I'm filming the night before, but it is when you're watching this Easter, and I want to wish you all a very happy Easter if you celebrate it. I also want to wish my nephew Colin a happy 21st birthday. I'm sure he is going to be very, very excited to be celebrating his 21st birthday. Hope you're doing it safely, Colin. All right, I am going to wrap this up. Cheer me on for the next 2 months because I'm going to need it. And if you guys need the support, hit me up on Instagram, message me or comment here on YouTube, and we'll figure something out. We've got this good support system together. Let's keep it going. Please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And until I see you in my next video, have a beautiful day.